In this video, I'm going to talk about the BMW e46 hidden feature flashlight that many people didn't know about. I was actually surprised to hear that many people have this car or had this car for like years and didn't know that there was a flashlight hiding right there in their glove box compartment. So I'm one of those, I have one of those cars that didn't come with it. So I had to buy this plug, or this socket, whatever you want to call it, and plug it in. A lot of people said that you'll have to remove the glove box to do this. I pretty much scratched up all my fingers just trying to plug it in without removing the glove box. I didn't want to take that risk, so I was able to get this socket in, and it was a little bit difficult because the plug only comes out to like this much, and this has to be plugged in with only like that much of space to get it in there. But I was able to do that last night, and here's the BMW original flashlight that goes into here. Just make sure when you put it in, actually there's only one way to put in the socket because there's a little bit of a part that comes out on the top there, so that can, you'll be sure you're putting it in the right way. And when you're putting in the flashlight, the logo will always be sticking out, and it goes in just like that. It is a little bit difficult to get out. I don't know why, but maybe because mine is just pretty old. But yeah, you have to like really tough to get it out. But yeah, it does come out. So let me just talk about the flashlight a little bit before I end this video. Here is another flashlight that I have, same exact one. So here are some common complaints about these flashlights. One, the bulb is not very bright. However, I found some shops online that do sell a much brighter bulb for like 10 euros. So that's something to take into consideration. So the two flashlights that I have, the one here and this one, do not work. And that is because the battery on these have died. I mean, keep in mind this is a BMW flashlight from like, the late 1900s or early 2000s, so they're about 25 years old, if not more. Probably more because they were probably built, they probably made these before they made the cars, but anyway. So I have heard that you can get the battery changed. However, I heard it's a very difficult thing to do, so I don't want to take that risk, or maybe I will take that risk. So yeah, keep that in mind. You can get these non-working ones for about 10 euros, but if you want an actual working one, they're about 90 euros. So I don't know if I want to spend 90 euros just on a flashlight that still has the original battery that might work for like a month or two, and then the battery goes out anyway. So I'm not too sure if I'm going to buy a working one, get it replaced, get the battery replaced, or fix it. But yeah, this is all you really need to know about the BMW hidden compartment flashlight. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you have a flashlight and if it's working, well, first of all, you are extremely lucky. But let us know in the comments. Let us know if this video is even helpful for you to find this hidden compartment flashlight that is in your glove box on your BMW e46. Thanks for watching.